I have a bite, definitely. I got a fish on. Got him. That's a good one. Get the net. Get the net. I'm gonna bring it around the right side of the boat. Net it. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, maybe not. That's like a 2-pounder. That's a real nice one though. Good net job. Is that the first time you've ever netted a fish? Oh, that's not a beast. It's like a 2-pounder. Looked bigger under the water. Try and get this. There we go. Look at that. East Coast Marauder. Look at that, dude. That's a pretty nice one. That's like 1 3/4 pound, 2-pounder maybe. Seems kind of short for the head size, honestly. I don't know. I'm gonna measure my dude really quick. I don't want to deal with getting the floor wet, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Yeah, he's about 15.5, maybe a little bit more. So that's a legal fish. All right. See you, dude. There he goes. Come on, picnic table fish. How do you do that? Oh my, did you see that?